Why do we do wudu, Adam? What, like, why are we doing wudu?
Because wudu
What
is
is
the
the
key
purpose?
to wudu is the
Yes,
key to salah, and salah is the key to
because
Jannah.
if you yes, good job. Because if your wudu doesn't count, then your salah as well doesn't count. What is the reward of those who do wudu properly and say shahada in the end?
And they will get to choose which door to go through to Jannah.
Yes, excellent. They will get to choose like which gate to go through, and this is a like a huge honor because going Jannah itself, like it's far reached. So imagine you have the ability to choose. Okay, you have that capability. It means it's a great honor and reward, right? Okay. And then we did today. We studied about the steps. Can you tell me how do you pray, Adam?
You face the Qibla and make niyyah, which is an intention in Arabic, in your heart. Niyyah is knowing what you're doing about what you are doing, what you are about to do, and why you are doing it. You should always make sure you pray for Allah and do all good deeds for Allah.
Yes, super. So you face Qibla and make intention first. Qibla is the place you face when you pray. It's toward Al Kaaba in Mecca. Okay, what about the second step, Adam?
Huh? The second step is you raise your hands behind your ears and say Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is greater.
Yes, and then
And then while you are standing, you put your right hand over your left hand, right your belly button. This is called Qiyam. You read Surah Al-Fatiha and a short surah of few ayat.
okay, good job. So this is Qiyam. Qiyam is when you put your right hand over your left hand by your belly button. When you do this movement, okay, it's named or called Qiyam, Adam. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
is memorizing Al Fatiha a must, Adam?
Reading fast while you're praying.
No, no, memorizing Al Fatiha is a must.
Um, I think is.
Sure. Because
Yeah.
if you don't memorize Al Fatiha, how will you pray? What will you say? You don't memorize Al Fatiha.
Yeah, it's forward. Yeah, it's
It's
forward. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
excellent. Yeah, it's fard. Other
Mm-hmm.
surahs, okay, it's recommended to memorize them, but
Yeah.
it's not a must.
So
Okay, it's
it's
highly
voluntary.
recommended. Sorry,
It's voluntary.
fard. Yeah, the Al Fatiha, yes, Al Fatiha is fard. Other surahs are optional, voluntary, as you said. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, yeah. What about the fourth step, Adam?
The fourth step. Um. Wait, I don't see it.
Yeah, I hit it because I want you to say it
Oh,
off the top of
yeah.
your head, Adam.
So then you go down into ruku and say Subhana wa Taala 3 times. I mean,
Subhana Rabbiyal
please,
Azim
yes,
three times.
Subhana Rabbil Azim. Yeah.
Yeah, so you do ruku'ah, then make ruku'ah is when you bow down and put both hands on your knees, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you say Subhana Rabbiyal Azim 3 times,
Yeah.
which means glory to my Lord, the Great. And then after ruku'ah,
After ruku, you rise from ruku and say Sami Allahu liman hamida.
what does it
Allah
mean?
is those who praise Him. Then you say Rabbana wa lakal hamd. Oh Lord, we praise you. Uh, the whole thing of the Qur'an is ربنا ولك الحمد حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه.
Great, Adam, mashallah. After like after rising from ruku'ah and saying Sami Allah liman hamida,
Yeah.
yes, what is
You
next?
say ربنا ولك الحمد حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه.
Yes, after saying Sami Allah liman hamida and saying like the whole thing, what do you do?
Uh,
What is next? Yeah, what is next
then
movement?
you go down into sujood and say Subhana Rabbi al-A'la 3 times.
Yes, and then
And then you go into, can't remember what it's called. You go into like where you put your, yes, sujood. Then say Rabbi Firli, uh, and then repeat. You say Rabbi Firli 2 times, then repeat sujood again.
you sit up from sujood while saying Allahu Akbar, then repeat
Yeah,
sujood again.
yeah, but
Okay.
say, don't you have to
Just a
say
second. Just a second, Adam.
okay?
Okay, I'm back. So again, you sit up from sujood while saying Allahu Akbar, then repeat sujood again.
Don't you have to
Right?
say? Don't you have to say Rabbi Firli 2 times when you're?
Yes.
Oh,
Doing
yeah,
sujood, Subhana Rabbi al-Azim. When doing sujood, you say Subhana Rabbi al-Azim. Sorry, Subhana Rabbi al-A'la 3 times.
yeah.
Okay?
But don't, when
Yes.
you're like up from sujood, don't you say Rabbi Firli 2 times?
Yes. Okay. And then you repeat sujood again. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
repeat sujood again. By repeating sujood, you just completed one full rak'ah. A rak'ah is made up of qiyam, one one ruku' and two sujood. Okay? So one qiyam, one ruku' and two sujood. To start the next rak'ah, you stand up saying Allahu Akbar from sujood and repeat steps, same steps. Okay, so can you tell me so far what are the steps, Adam?
The steps.
What are the steps for prayer? Yes.
So first you do so first you do the takbir and say your niyyah. I mean, you say your niyyah, which is your intention that you're praying.
First, your intention and you face Qibla. Okay. After?
Yeah. Then you say your takbir, which is Allahu Akbar, and put your right hand on top of your left hand under your belly button. And then after that, you say Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sami Allahu liman hamidar. You say Subhana Rabbi al-Azim. So you go down into ruku, you say Allahu Akbar, then you say Subhana Rabbi al-Azim, and then you get up from ruku and say Sami Allahu liman hamidar. Then you say the Qawm Da'wa, which is Rabbi Allahu ربي الله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه. Then you go down into sujood and you say ربنا then you say رب
Subhana Rabbi al-A'la. Yes, Subhana
سبحان
Rabbi
ربي
al-A'la three
الأعلى
times.
3 times, and then you come up from sujood, say Allahu Akbar, then you say the Jalsa Dua 2 times, which is Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Rabbi Ighfirli, and you say that 2 times, and then you go back down into sujood, and then repeat that. Though if it's on the last prayer, the second sujood, you should read the Shahada, and then the salawat upon the Prophet.
Yes. Do you memorize at-tashahhud and as-salat Ibrahimiyya, Adam?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say them, please?
The tashahhud is التحيات لله والصلوات والطيبات السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته السلام علينا والسلام علينا وإلى عباد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. And the salawat upon الصلوات إبراهيم.
الصلاة الإبراهيمية. We call it الصلاة الإبراهيمية.
Okay. Yeah, and it's اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم. And then it's وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You turn your face to the right side and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and then you turn your face to the left side and say the same. And we call this taslim, Adam. So you have qiyam. Okay, when you put your right hand over your left hand, your belly bottom, this is qiyam. You have ruku' when you bow down and put your hands on your knees, saying Subhana Rabbiyal Azim 3 times. And you then julus, when you rest your forehead, your nose, and toes, okay, to the ground and saying Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. You have julus, this is when you sit and say Salah al-Ibrahimiyya and at-tashahhud. And taslim, when you say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, turning your face to the right and the left side. Okay, Adam?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. You know the 5 prayers for sure. Do you pray, Adam?
Yeah, I pray with my dad. I pray with my dad.
5 times?
Yeah, though I'm normally asleep when Fajr happens. My dad doesn't normally wake me up. So, but Fajr is
It's okay. It will come. Yeah, no problem. It's okay. It will come. But as long as you pray the 5 times prayers, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Like as long as you're praying 5 times a day, it's good. And you memorize also a Salat Ibrahimiyya and at-tashahhud. That's awesome, Adam.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, great. So let's do the questions in the end.
Okay.
What movements is one rak'ah made of, Adam?
It's made of the ruku, the sujood, and the takbir.
The ruku', sujood, and
Takbir.
qiyam. One qiyam, one ruku', and 2 sujood.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the qibla, Adam?
The qibla is where the Kaaba is, and for us it's kind of diagonal.
What should you say in your heart before you pray?
I'm doing this for Allah's sake.
Yes, like your intention for Allah's sake. Niyyah is what are you up to and why are you doing it? Okay, how many rak'at are in Fajr prayer, Adam?
There is 2. In Dhuhr there's 4. In Asr there's 4. In Maghrib there's 3. And in Isha there's 4.
Yes, good job, mashallah.